Hey ladies, I'm going to show you guys how I made this nice looking layer, but with two necklaces of the same length. So I want to wear my gold horoscope necklace with this bespoke evil eye necklace. So here's how I'm going to do it. You are going to open both clasps of both necklaces. Now this tip only works with lobsters so far. I haven't tried it with like a toggle clasp or any other type of clasp, so do not guarantee. I will not guarantee. And you're going to connect the clasp of your first necklace to the opening of your second necklace. So you can see the clasp of my gold horoscope is going in with this link from my UI. So what you're gonna end up with this really long chain. So how this works then is you're gonna wear this first necklace like you would, but then you're gonna take the second necklace, you're going to loop it from the back of your head, and it's gonna come down in front. And then you're gonna then take this clasp and this loop, the clasp from the second necklace and the loop from the first necklace, and put it together. Now from here, what is really cool is that this is adjustable. So I can make it so the set looks like this, or if you want the same layer as I did from the first clip, then here you go. It's really simple. Just be very careful when you're tugging the chains, as it does scratch your neck a little bit, but otherwise, here you go.